Oh, would you get out of the fucking road and stop holding me up in the grader? Fuck me. Man's trying to build this fucking country and all you're doing is fucking holding me up.
Motor grader.
Let's go, motherfucker! I got beer to drink! God damn, fucking blade hands. You don't have to kiss the boss's ass all the fucking time. It's time to go home.
Motor grader controls.
It cuts in a lot faster than just a standard blade, and with little down pressure, it rides over the ledge a lot better.
So how many passes did it reduce?
Normally it takes 2 or 3 to get down to the real hard pan where I want to be, and this is going into it about 1 pass in most places.
Big thank you to the town of Killingly for giving the Shark Edge system a try. It didn't take them long to notice how easy this edge cuts, reducing 2 or 3 passes on 21 miles of gravel roads. Alright, why do you like this blade?
Just fucking dump the gravel. I don't give a fuck where you dump it. Just on the fucking road. Fuck up. Are you fucking dumb? Asshole. Wrecking my roads.